New Pro ChatGPT version revealed by OpenAI plus this. With OpenAI exploring ways to generate revenue from ChatGPT and improve the ability to distinguish artificial intelligence generated text in the future, a professional version of ChatGPT that can handle a larger volume of characters is being developed and planned for launch, and this version will not be connected to the current API. Current ChatGPT users who are interested in having this edge can sign up on the special waiting list to be selected for the professional version, where OpenAI is soliciting feedback on pricing options, including suggested high and low monthly costs for purchasing the professional version. While it appears that there's currently no specific plan in place for monetizing ChatGPT, OpenAI stated that the company's main objective is to maintain and improve its performance, and monetization is only being considered as a potential means to ensure its long-term viability. They're also seeking participants for 15-minute interviews to gather feedback on their initial ideas. Furthermore, the company is in talks with Microsoft for a new investment of an extra $10 billion, bringing OpenAI's overall valuation to $29 billion. Additionally, the company has confirmed that it's developing methods to identify text generated by ChatGPT, with one of their researchers previously mentioning the possibility of implementing a watermarking system for artificial intelligence-generated texts, and a related research paper is expected to be released in the near future. The education field in particular is concerned about text generated by ChatGPT being indistinguishable from human written texts, as it could potentially undermine current teaching practices. A company spokesperson recently stated that ChatGPT is currently in a research preview phase in order to be tested in real-world scenarios. If a reliable method of identifying AI-generated text could be developed, it would address the concerns regarding the use of such text in education and would no longer be a point of criticism for OpenAI products. It remains to be seen if the company's recognition tool will effectively address the issues surrounding the use of ChatGPT text in education, as the development of similar tools in the field of image AI, such as the open-source Stable Diffusion, suggests that ChatGPT may only be the start. Other providers or even open-source projects may also be working on similar systems. For AI text recognition to be effective in removing doubts about the authenticity of text, it would need to be standardized across all text generators. There are currently some initial attempts to develop AI text recognition tools such as GPT-0 or Crossflag, but there is no information yet on their reliability because slight modifications could potentially bypass these recognition tools. Meanwhile, as the world of AI continues to evolve, advancements in natural language processing are being matched by developments in other areas of artificial intelligence technology, such as robotics, where companies like Samsung are making major strides in creating advanced robots like their upcoming X1. At CES 2023, Samsung CEO announced plans to release a human assistant robot called X1 later in the year, but it is currently unclear whether the X1 will be a next generation of their previous Bot Handy concept robot, which was a human assistant robot that never came to market. Their Bot Handy robot butler showcased the potential for a robot that could assist with various household tasks, similar to a maid robot. Samsung's Bot Handy was demonstrated as being powered by artificial intelligence to perform household chores such as washing dishes, pouring drinks, and doing laundry, but the robot was never released to the public. Therefore, X1 could be the next iteration of their Bot Handy robot assistant. As part of one of Samsung's AI projects, the Bot Handy was a mobile artificial intelligence-powered robot that was able to recognize objects, pick them up, and even manipulate them. Samsung had introduced a new AI-powered scenario called tableware handling, which allowed the Samsung Bot Handy to pick up multiple objects and analyze the surrounding environment after recognizing them. With this advanced technology, the robot was equipped with 3 key features to make it a useful tool for household tasks, including dexterous manipulation using a robot arm plus hand, general object handling using a combination of artificial intelligence and grasping, and extended workspace in 3D space through mobility and elevation. This technology was to use the robot's computer vision system to recognize various objects with different shapes and positions, making it more efficient and effective. Samsung's advanced technology allowed the Bot Handy to grasp objects that were transparent or slightly blocked without collision with other objects. It could be a valuable asset in a household, helping with tasks such as cleaning and sorting dishes, allowing robot owners to focus on other important tasks. Samsung Research says they're dedicated to enhancing AI and robotics technologies for both performance and affordability for commercial usage. The company continues to develop technologies that could improve users' daily lives by closely collaborating with them and making their experience more convenient and comfortable. Advancements in assistive robots like Samsung's X1 are being matched by innovative designs for robotic grippers. One such example is a new reconfigurable workspace soft robotic gripper that's shaped like an elephant's trunk. Scientists from the Bio-Inspired Robotics and Design Laboratory at the Singapore University of Technology and Design have created a new adaptable and reconfigurable workspace soft robotic gripper called RWS for short, which can scoop, pick, and grasp a variety of consumer items. Its versatility makes it especially useful for industries such as logistics and food, where automation is needed to efficiently pick and pack items to keep up with high demand. The RWS robot gripper has the ability to effectively scoop small items such as rice or couscous with a radius as small as 1.5 millimeters, or pick up thin items like business cards or instruction manuals with a thickness of 300 microns from flat surfaces. Additionally, it can securely hold large and varied items, such as melons, cereal boxes, or detergent refill bags, which can weigh up to 1.4 kilograms, regardless of their shape or flexibility. To overcome the limitations of soft grippers, the SUTD research team designed the RWS gripper using multimodal actuation, allowing the grasping workspace to be rapidly changed for payloads with different contact area requirements. The RWS gripper is a soft robotic gripper that can change its grasping volume by 397% by using a combination of shape-morphing fingers, retractable nails, and an expandable palm. This allows it to have the broadest range of grasping abilities ever achieved by a single soft gripper. Its ability to quickly adapt its grasping volume makes it suitable for difficult applications that would otherwise require multiple specialized grippers. The research team is working towards making the RWS gripper commercially available for various high-mix automation applications. The robotics researchers are in talks with various logistics companies, both in the food and packaging sectors, to conduct proof-of-value studies. The team is eager to create a market impact and offer new solutions to their industry partners. Soft grippers, unlike traditional rigid grippers, use compliant soft actuators and functional hyperelastic materials, which enable them to safely and effectively grasp a variety of shapes. Furthermore, the high degree of flexibility and compliance of soft grippers allow for several grasping methods to be employed, even when there is under actuation or simplified control strategies. Overall, soft robotic grippers will likely become the primary robotic manipulator of choice for general-purpose tasks because of their cost efficiency, durability, and varying applications.